Hello folks, Darren Ridgway here, the Bobcat Man, coming to you from Bobcat of Columbia and on a sunny, beautiful day. We're just doing some service videos in behalf of our customers. We're still working hard to support our customers and trying to get through this difficult time. We thought that we'd put some videos together that were instructional so that we can help our customers to the best of our ability.
What's the importance of putting the right fuel in your machine?
That's a good question. That's a question that we get asked a lot, especially with the new machines and the fuel pressures that they're running. It really is important to have good quality fuel, and it's extremely important to have good filtration. So I'd like to just point that out to you on this Bobcat T770. The fuel filters that are running on these machines now, on really any brand of machine, very tight tolerances on the filtration. This is a 2-micron filter. So if you're filling a machine, especially from a farm tank, we sell a lot of machines to farmers and they will have gravity feed farm tank. Something that is extremely important to consider is condensation. So you get water in that tank, and the water being heavier than fuel, what you have in the bottom of that farm tank could be a high percentage of water. So that would be the first thing that you are putting in these new machines. Also, if that tank has a filter on it, usually they are a 20-micron filter, so it's filtering that fuel at 20 microns. You put that in a new machine that has a 2-micron filter on it, and you run the chance of plugging up that filter. Okay, so to remove this filter, it's very simple. These band clamps simply hold the filter to this mounting frame here. So the easiest thing to do is just unbolt this mounting frame, get it away from the body, and then simply undo these band clamps to get it off of the bracket. Now you have a fuel line here and you have a fuel line here that you just simply disconnect, and you have an electrical connection right here that is for your fuel heater. So you disconnect those, spin the filter off. It is a spin-on filter, so pretty simple to do.